In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Slack channel. If you're cleaning up old conversations or streamlining your workspace, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to click. Before we start, a quick note on permissions. Depending on your organization settings, you may need to be a workspace owner, admin, or have the right channel permissions to delete a channel. Also, deleting a channel is permanent and can't be undone, so take a moment to make sure it's truly what you want. If you're unsure, consider saving any important messages or files first. Let's begin from the Slack home view on your desktop app or web browser. Make sure you're signed in to the correct workspace. In the left sidebar, find the channel you want to remove. Click that channel to open it. Pause here to confirm you've selected the right one by checking the channel's name and purpose at the top of the conversation. Deleting the wrong channel is easy to avoid if you double-check now. With the channel open, click the channel's name in the header at the top of the screen. This opens the Channel Details panel, where you can see information, members, and settings. If you don't see the panel right away, clicking the name again usually brings it into focus. In the Channel Details panel, switch to the Settings tab. This is where Slack keeps management actions for the channel. Scroll down through the settings options until you reach the section that includes the Delete option. Often it appears near other advanced or danger zone actions, so keep scrolling if you don't see it immediately. Next, click Delete this channel. If the button is grayed out or missing, that typically means your current role doesn't have permission to delete it, or it's a protected channel. In many workspaces, the default channel used for all members cannot be deleted, so be aware of those limitations. When you click to delete, Slack will show a confirmation prompt. Read it carefully. You may be asked to type the channel's name or check a box to acknowledge that all messages and content in the channel will be removed. When you're ready, confirm the deletion. Slack will remove the channel from your sidebar and from search, and the conversation history will no longer be available. That's it. You've successfully deleted a Slack channel. If your goal was simply to reduce noise while keeping history intact, archiving is a safer alternative. Otherwise, these steps will help you clean up your workspace with confidence. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.